Hey guys, thanks for watching. I am about to head out up onto my roof and investigate some noises that I've been hearing in my air conditioner unit. The other night I woke up thinking that somebody was weed whacking in my living room, and I ran down here and I immediately thought, I knew it was the air conditioner or the heater, whichever one it was using. And I turned that off. And I turned it on again later to see if it would still do that, and I heard like explosion of plastic. So I'm thinking maybe if it's just the fan and everything else works, I can just replace that. So time to investigate that. It's super windy, so sorry if there's wind noise. I'm going to try to talk really close to the camera and if I need to say anything. Otherwise, I want you guys to see what it looks like and what is wrong. Hopefully we'll find it. So windy that it blew off the other case, so I'm a little nervous about it blowing this one. It's a little heavier, so I'm gonna have to have two hands on it. So I immediately see my problem. Look at, this is the sound I've been hearing, is these little fins that are broken on this one. This might even be loose. But that's broken, so it's not spinning correctly, and those plastic pieces are somewhere. So I'm going to try to take this fan off. There's a screw inside here. Oops, I'm going to need two hands for that too. So this is the inside, right? So here's the motor, this is the shaft, and then there's a little C in here, so you got to get your screwdriver in there and then rotate, and it sort of pushes the fan off of the shaft. You can see where it was rubbing, it caused it to break. So I received my new blower fan in the mail, and I'm ready to go install it on the roof. I'm going to leave everything undone and come down and test it, and I'm hoping, it's even windier than yesterday, so I'm hoping that nothing blows off the roof like last time. Alright, I had to come back up when it was not so windy. Anyway, I've got the new fan on, and don't forget to somehow remember which direction these little fins go. Is it this way or this way? And the way I remembered, I had to bring this back up to check. Of course, mine's broke and I could have looked that way. But in this one end was the washer, so I knew that the washer was on this side. So I got the fins replaced back on. Now it's time to test to make sure this all runs, and then secondary test would be to put the whole cover on, make sure there's cool air coming out if you can't feel it without this off. And now we're ready to put the little case back on. It's hard to do with just one hand. Something that helped me up here, well, I had to take all these little nuts and bolts out. I kept my socket with them, so even when I had to go down for the evening, I kept all this stuff up here. So that's simple. I don't have to look for the socket, and I know I've got all of my nuts and washers. And it's working again. So what a relief. It's nice to have the air conditioner, especially because summer's here and the days are getting hotter and longer. If you appreciated this video, for any information, educational or entertainment value that it's given you, please give a thumbs up, share, like the video, subscribe to the page. If you want to help support the channel so more videos can be produced, you can do so on Patreon. You know, even just $1, $2 a month really helps out. Or you can hit that PayPal button for a one-time, you know, even just a couple bucks really helps out. I appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.